I'm now in a sample room of an inflatable swing ring factory. Here you can find a variety of styles and designs of them. There are some popular styles such as flamingo and baby float and reindeer and baby rings.
And there are many more designs available. Some selected styles can be found on TVCMALL. Summer is here and these inflatable products are perfect for water fun. You may have used one before, but have you ever wondered how they are made?
Today we are taking you one of TVCMALL's trusted partner factories to see how these products are produced. Let's go! Can you imagine? This whole place belongs to the factory, and over here it's a 3-story production area, and in the front it's a 4-story dormitory building, and over here it's the raw material storage area.
The whole facility covers 13,000 square meters, which shows the impressive scale of this factory.
The first step starts here, product design.
The designer works on the product design, including shape, size, colors, materials, and overall structure. Whether it's a classic round swing ring or a fun animal shape design, the factory can customize products based on the customer needs, including patterns, sizes, materials, and functions.
The next important part is choosing the right material.
Most inflatable products are made from PVC, which offers good flexibility, durability, and resistance to tearing. Different products may require different material thicknesses depending on their usage and market needs.
Now the production officially starts. Material cutting.
Large sheets of PVC material are placed on the cutting table. Skilled workers cut the materials according to the product design and required sizes. For smaller and more detailed parts, machines and molds are used to ensure precise and efficient cutting. Every piece needs to match perfectly, as these parts will later be combined together to create the final inflatable products. After cutting, the next step is pattern printing. Based on the confirmed design, patterns, colors, and graphics are printed onto the PVC sheets.
And the first floor here, it's one of the most important process in making an inflatable product, welding and sealing.
Instead of simply putting materials together, the factory uses high-frequency welding technology to bond PVC layers with heat and pressure, creating strong and airtight connections. The factory is equipped with different sizes of welding machines. Large machines are used for bigger inflatable products such as pool floats, while smaller machines are used for products like swing rims and inflatable cushions.
This is a leg cushion she's making. This is one of the best-seller water products on TVCMALL, Pool Float. This is a semi-finished raised pad product, and this is the finished product.
With strong production capacity, the factory can support flexible orders from small batch testing to large volume orders and customized projects. If you are interested in these inflatable products, feel free to contact TVCMALL or leave us a message below.
This is the second floor for production of welding and sealing.
Just like the first floor, There are dozens of welding machines in different sizes, supporting the production of various inflatable products.
This tube production line now is producing this baby ring.
Although it looks like a simple product, a closer look reveals that it's made up of multiple parts, including the air vent, main body, and other components. Each part needs to be precisely positioned and firmly welded together to ensure the final product is safe, durable, and able to hold air properly. This is the third floor for inflation and quality checking. The team will inflate each product and start the quality testing process. Every swing ring goes to careful inspection to check for air leakage, weak points, and overall appearance. The products are tested to ensure they can maintain stable air pressure and meet quality requirements before shipment. Once the product passes inspection, the final accessories are added. Depending on the design, this may include wheels, handles, ropes, or other details that improve the user experience. TVCMALL, your one-stop wholesale partner for mobile accessories and consumer products. We connect buyers with reliable suppliers and provide complete sourcing solutions. Whether you need ready-to-sell products, customized designs, private labeling, or flexible purchasing solutions, our team is here to support your business. This is the warehouse area where finished products and different accessories are stored.
So this is the whole process of making an inflatable product. If you're looking for a reliable supplier for this kind of products or customized solutions, TVCMALL is here to help. Don't forget to like and follow TVCMALL for more behind-the-scenes stories. See you!